Hey everybody, here to demonstrate how to connect an iPhone for Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay. So first we're going to use our setup here from our screen for a Santa Fe. Now this will work for an Accent, Santa Fe, Elantra, all of our products, okay? All of our model vehicles. So setup, Bluetooth connection, Bluetooth, add new. We're going to go to
Bluetooth on from your device in order to search. On your device, select the name that matches vehicle name on the screen.
So I'm going to go to Bluetooth here on the vehicle, on the phone, and I'm going to connect new. So right now it's already searching, it's found the Santa Fe. I'm going to click the Santa Fe, passkey is correct, I'm going to hit pair. And I'm going to allow it to download all the contacts. The minute your phone is not in the vehicle, your contacts will not be able to be shown here, okay? So there you go. Bluetooth's connected. Next, I'm going to go and connect my Apple CarPlay. So we've got our cord. Again, you want to get a good cord from like the Source or any of the regular stores. Boom. Right away, it's saying that it's connected. Apple CarPlay, so it's going to ask you to allow it on the phone. So I'm going to have to enable Siri in my apps. So let's Siri search. So I enable Siri, and look at that. Boom, it's ready to go. So your phone, music, messages, now playing music, Hyundai, so the closest Hyundai store, podcasts, calendar, my settings is available, and then Google Maps. You can also play, so from here, you could do talk and text, and you could do all kinds of fun things. But there you go, as simple as that. The iPhone is very easy whenever it comes to setting this up. Literally plug it in, make sure Siri's going, and away she goes. Thanks, guys.